how to make brownies. First, get a bowl and get a mixing spoon.
That's a whisk. And don't take
First get a whisk. Then get 4 eggs and crack them in a bowl and mix it until it gets frothy. Then put any type of chocolate, either Nutella or any chocolate you can find, like chocolate powder and stuff, or like chocolate bars, and melt it, I guess. And mix that all together with the eggs until it gets like this.
With the eggs?
Shut up, Ailey. Yes, until it gets like this. Then, put your head out here. Then, then put them on a pan and cook them.
What?
And cook them. Until you get like a fudgy brownie. Then you can gulp them up, okay? Okay, bye. Part 2 until we make something else.